about to have some fun. Alright. Let's stop some pucks. Or at least let's try and stop some pucks.
Oh, we got the net cam tonight from Jet. Yeah, we got the Jet cam, net cam.
He thinks I'm gonna aim for it.
The Jet cam, net cam, huh? Yeah, whatever you do, once you start it, just don't stop it. Let it roll the whole game.
You sure? I don't have enough battery for it though.
You will have enough battery the whole game.
You sure?
Yeah, what is your settings?
1080, 60 frames per second.
Perfect.
How am I doing? It's going so slow and I can't even cover the puck. Here goes Wilmers. Don't self it. Kick. That was a kick in for sure.
That was a great call there, Lamar.
Good call, ref. Good call. Well, that sucked. I just got scored on. Oh my god, these guys cannot figure it out. It's 9-1 right now, and there's still 12 minutes left in the game. Nice moves, nice move. Oh, lost track of it.
Uh-oh. What?
You good? Neck?
Oh, I'm not, yeah.
Can you breathe?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just give me a second. Like lower back, I guess. He's good yet?
He's fine.
He's good. He's good.
Where'd you get it? Where'd you get it?
Oh, like right here in the neck.
Pretty bad. You alright?
It hurts like a motherfucker. This game's almost over, so. Oh man. Huh?
I wasn't even trying to go high there.
No, it's okay, man.
They literally just slipped up on me. Stop that.
I'm good, yeah, I'm good. I knew he started getting mad and he started trying to hit me in the back. Huh?
Is that good? Way to neck that one out. Gross.
You guys. Game bud. You good? Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. Game guys. Game shot. Game bud. Game bud. Huh? Game bud.
I watched that shit in slow-mo. I was like, oh my god, he died.
Oh, I was trying to dodge it because I knew it was going straight for my face. So I went up and it just hit me right in the throat, like in between my throat and my chest. Got the dub, 11-1. I'm pumped. Got injured out there, but it's all good. I know a few of the boys, so on the other team. I know they didn't mean to do that. Or maybe they did because they were just mad because we were whipping them 11-1. All good.